Deep inside Earth, there is a giant ocean of molten metal. This liquid iron is constantly moving under extreme heat and pressure. As it flows, it creates powerful electric currents. Those currents generate Earth's magnetic field. That invisible field surrounds our planet like a shield. It protects Earth from dangerous radiation coming from the sun. Without it, the solar wind could slowly strip away our atmosphere. In a way, the molten metal deep inside Earth is running a hidden engine that helps protect life on our planet.